Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Andes V3 Drystar waterproof jacket. Okay, the Andes V3 Drystar Jacket retails for $279.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Like I always say, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's jump into sizing first. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds, 34-inch waist. I have on a size large right now in the Andes V3. It still has the quilted vest and sleeve liner in it, and I would say I'm getting the fit from this jacket that I would look for. This is a jacket, obviously being V3, that they've really worked on over the years to evolve, right, and continually improve the product. And I would have to say the latest version is pretty darn good. This is billed as being 100% waterproof in wet conditions, okay? It has, and I'll show you this in the second part of the video when we take it apart, it has their Drystar waterproof breathable membrane. It's not Gore-Tex level stuff, but over the years, it's proven to be really good and have a nice level of breathability, which is key to keeping the rider cool. While we're on the topic of keeping the rider cool and temperature regulation, this has a fully removable quilted body and sleeve liner. There's 100 grams of insulation in the body portion of the liner with 80 grams of insulation in the sleeve portion, right? And that's just for a dexterity and feel purpose. Direct-to-skin ventilation is something that was added to this jacket. The vents are right up here in the front, and we're going to kind of cover this more in the second part of the video, but you can see they're really easy to access, like so, and it pulls it wide open, so when you have that quilted liner out, that air is going to blow direct to the rider. There's 2 exhaust vents on the back. We'll hit those in the second part, but that's really a game changer. And the area they're bringing this in, you're out here, hands are on the bars, and you can see that that's clearly out in the wind now. Drives the air in the coat, in the chest and underarm area, sucks it back, right, forces it back, and it goes out the exhaust vents. Obviously, underarm area is a hot spot. This is really going to go a long way to keeping a rider cool and comfortable. There's a lot of other waterproof jackets on the market. They don't vent direct to skin. They vent between the outer layer and the waterproof membrane, okay? While it is effective, it's not even close to being as effective as direct to skin ventilation. Let's talk safety this jacket offers. We have a lot of little reflectives on it all over the coat. Reflectives here on the back. It comes with their all-new Nucleon Flex Plus Level 1 certified armor in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. This stuff is so low profile, it's like it's not even there. But it still offers a level of protection that we've all enjoyed for decades in coats, right? The Level 2 stuff is newer. And while it's nice, I can assure you, after having crashed many times in Level 1 stuff, it works really damn good. With this, and having that additional right amount of comfort plus the Level 1 protection, I feel like it's worth the trade-off of not having 2. Sure, you could put 2 in there, but it's a whole hell of a lot thicker, and then you lose all the comfort in the jacket. It's also important to note this jacket is Tech Air 5 ready. Okay, you're able to throw the Tech Air 5 vest underneath this coat, which then gives you protection in the shoulders, right, the chest, the back, the sides, the neck area. That truly is the benchmark for street protection, right, that Tech Air 5 vest. Let's say you don't want to add any airbag stuff, but you want back and chest protection. This jacket provides pockets for chest inserts as well as some of their Nucleon back inserts. You'll find all those pieces in our Alpinestars armor section on our website, and we'll show you where the pockets are in the second portion of this video. Additional safety adds you can see here in the elbow and forearm. That's a huge crash zone. You can see here they have that patch kind of welded to the coat. Heavier denier fabric is used in the forearm as well as in the shoulder of the jacket. Pockets. We have 2 storage pockets here. These are not going to be waterproof. Right here on the chest, we have 2 waterproof storage pockets here that are expandable. We have a large waterproof storage pocket here in the back. That's a great place to put the liner of the coat. Let's say you're on a ride where it starts off cool and it ends up warm. You can take it out, roll it up nice, put it in that pocket, and store it for the day. Inside the coat, you have a 100% waterproof storage pocket after you zip open, right here on the left breast, and there are 2 slip pockets. They're with the liner or inside the mesh liner of the jacket. So even if you have your insulated liner removed, you still have those storage pockets. We have plenty of storage built into this jacket. Adjustability. Adjustable cuff with Velcro. Forearm adjustment, bicep adjustment, high waist adjustment, and then there are shock cords that are included, right? If you need to dial in the fit and seal it up here around the low waist, you're also able to do that. If you have any questions, right, go ahead and leave those in the comment section of this video. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride. And stay tuned for the second part of this video. We're going to take this coat off and give you a real close look from the inside out. Okay, here we go, the Andes Drystar V3 jacket from the inside out. This jacket is another one using their all-new Nucleon Flex Plus. Here's the elbow and forearm piece. I mean, dude, look at that. Okay, this is a level 1 piece. We do get a lot of people now, they're asking, well, can I put level 2 in there? Let me just tell you, level 1 armor has been around for a long time. I've crashed a lot of motorcycles with level 1 armor inside my race suits, and I can attest to the fact it is pretty darn effective. What Alpinestars has done here with this piece is they found a way to get that same protection that we've all enjoyed for decades, right? And put it in this unbelievably comfortable low-profile packaging. It just makes so much sense on the street because it takes the jacket or the pants and just makes them so much more comfortable. Here is the piece that goes in the shoulder. And as we said earlier, too, this is also a Tech Air 5 compatible garment. So, you know, you want to take the protection to the next level, that really is where it's at. For temperature regulation, we have a fully removable quilted liner. This is a full sleeve and vest. It's got a couple of storage pockets that have a Velcro closure at the top on both sides. Shell of the jacket itself. And this has their Drystar windproof, waterproof membrane. We're going to show you that here in a second, right? Is it Gore-Tex? No, it's not Gore-Tex, but they've been using this Drystar stuff for a long time, and it has proven itself to have a high level of breathability and be very effective. This jacket is built to be 100% waterproof in wet conditions. Back of the coat, reflectives here, as well as down here. Little A-Star logo embroidered there. This is also a storage pocket, right? Great place. You want to take that liner out, you're on a long ride, you don't have anywhere else to put it, you could wad that bad boy up, stick it right in that pocket for sure. Direct to skin ventilation. You know, you get a lot of these waterproof jackets, and where they really fall short, in my opinion, is, let's face it, you don't ride that often in the rain. When you do, you want to be dry. But when you're riding and it's nice outside, you also want to be cool and comfortable. And direct-to-skin ventilation is the only way to do it. A lot of the other waterproof jackets, they'll have ventilation that allows air to flow in between the outer layer of the jacket and the inner membrane. Okay, that will collect some of the moisture that makes it through the membrane, but it's never going to be even close to what you get with direct-to-skin. So what they've done here is they've dedicated a direct-to-the-rider ventilation system. The intakes are on the front, and the exhausts are here on the back. Okay, those are pretty large. Volume adjustment, kind of high waist, is done with textile, Velcro, and a D-ring there. The sleeve of the jacket, there is like a welded reinforcement here in the elbow area. Heavier denier fabrics are used in the impact zones. Got a cool Alpinestars logo screen printed on. That looks like that's probably reflective as well. Andy's logo there. Volume adjustment at the bicep, volume adjustment down here at the forearm, volume adjustment here at the cuff. Nice mesh liner inside the jacket. Okay, we get to the jacket itself, right, the front of the coat. Here is that direct-to-skin ventilation. And what they've done is, you see when you zip that open, you also then have this little snap. Okay, and that's a waterproof zipper, right, to, you know, preserve the waterproof function. When you snap that open like that, you are going to have your chest facing the wind and have air driving in the jacket. And that's going to happen right at the chest and kind of go back through the underarm area. That's a hot spot for all of us, right? And then come out the back of the jacket. So it's in the front, out the back, very effective stuff. screen printed reflectives up here in the upper corners of the jacket. We have 2 storage pockets right here at the breast. These are not going to be fully waterproof pockets, okay? There's no waterproof zip. It's a standard zip. Those are functional pockets, however. We do have waterproof pockets down here at the very bottom. These are done with a waterproof flap. These are expandable. You see, you could put a lot of stuff in there, right? It's quite a big pocket. You're going to find that on both sides of the jacket. Waterproofing at the front is going to be done with this flap, okay? Got a heavy gauge main zip, which is really nice. And then you have your waterproof flap, little gutter here. Anything will just run right out the bottom that makes it past that. Get inside the coat. When you have the liner removed, you have a high collar. It's got a spacer fabric here to maintain comfort for the rider. Here is an absolute waterproof pocket right here at the left breast. Storage, like we showed you on the removable liner, is going to be found inside the mesh liner of the coat, Velcro closure. If you want to zip these to the Andes pants, we're going to have a video showing everything together, right, later on this week. Here is your zippered attachment system. Say it's really windy, nasty, and cold out. You have a shock cord around the waist. You can just seal that thing right up. If you want to add armor to the coat, right, if you're not going to use the Tech Air 5, say you want to go with traditional armor, we highly recommend picking up one of the Alpinestars back protector inserts for the coat. The pocket's right here. It's Velcro. Easy open. Just slide it right in. Close that up. If you want to add chest armor, you can do that as well. There is a little zipper down here at the base of the jacket. Open that up, and you want to stay, and I'll show you this here a little closer. Here is that waterproof membrane, right? This is your Drystar membrane right here. To access the elbow and the forearm armor, you have to go to the back side, so between the outer shell of the jacket and the Drystar membrane. To get to the chest armor pocket, you want to be between the mesh liner and the Drystar membrane. Just kind of slide your hand up in there. And the chest armor pockets are on both sides, very easy to find. Little Velcro flaps, just slide the armor right in there, and you're all good to go. This is, I think, a lot of coat for a very fair price. At $279, you're getting their Drystar membrane, you're getting a lot of features, a lot of benefits. That direct-to-skin ventilation is super sweet. A lot of colors available on this one. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section. I answer all that myself, and I'm always here to help you guys choose the right gear for your next ride.